Hey you guys, hope everybody's having a great Sunday. I just got a sew-in. I'm reusing my curly hair, so I have a curly frontal and 2 bundles. I can't remember the length, y'all. Maybe it's 20, 22 because I had cut it, so I'm not sure. But I was just coming to do the video because I just wanted to talk to you guys about stylists who don't understand about raw hair. I know everyone's into mousse and things like that. So when I got my hair done, she did an amazing job installing it. Then she pulled out the mousse, and I was like, well, I'll style it myself. She said, no, I can do this. I'm like, okay, let me let the girl do it. But she put mousse on the hair, and then she used a comb to comb through it. As y'all can see, we don't have any popping curls. It doesn't look like any quality raw hair at all. So I came home and I said, okay, I'm going to show y'all that all you need with this raw hair is moisture, guys. Water is your moisture. I can't stress that enough. You don't need to put mousse to make your curls pop. This is natural hair. So all you need is water. Indian women don't use mousse and all that stuff that we use here in the States. They just have some water and they put some coconut oil or some kind of light serum on their hair, and they're out the door. Excuse me, guys. So I was just going to do a quick video just to get my curls popping to show you how that works, because I know I had a couple of customers that called and said, oh my God, I put the curly in and it's so tangled, it's so this and that. And I'm saying, what did you put on in there? Like they're putting curl products and mousse, and that, right now my hair just feels yuck because it has that layer of the mousse on it. So I suggest that you just get you a brush like this. You can get a denim brush, which are at Stylist for about $14.99, or you can go to Walmart and get a brush that's similar like this, where I paid $7.99. So you choose where you want to get it, but you need a brush like this, and it's gonna make your curls pop. So I just wanted to do a quick video just showing you guys I'm just using water, mixing it on the hair. I'm not going to wash out the mousse because I just don't have that kind of time right now. So you just want to bring your curls back. Some of you might like this fluffy, wild look, but I like to see beautiful curls. So just gave a little wet, and then just use this brush, comb through it. Again, I have a frontal, and I want to say almost 2 bundles. I think she used a little less because this is the second time I'm using the hair. So the first person did the sewing, she left 1 bundle intact, but the other one she kind of cut up. So I don't know if I actually, brought 2 bundles to the girl. And this is how it should look. And then the curls are just going to pop back on their own, y'all, and look luscious again. Oh, look at that little ringlet right there trying to come back to life. This is what I'm talking about, y'all. It's just some water. So, and y'all know me at night, I do the same process. I put a little water on the hair at night and put some serum on there. You can use whatever serum you like. You don't need a whole lot. I'm only putting this much water now because I'm trying to get the hair to go back to its natural state. And in the morning, kind of do the same thing. You just mist it a little bit. Take your plaits out, mist it a little bit. Or you may be able to get away with it, if you misted it the night before and put some oil on there. You might be able to get away with just taking your plaits out and you out the door. So there you are, just trying to loosen that mousse up. Get the hair back where it needs to be, y'all. Them beautiful curls. Y'all playing with this Indian hair. This is Indian raw hair. You don't need to do the most, y'all. Just water. One of our customers, Miss Missy, you might have seen her post. She just told you all she do is water. Water is her moisture. I do throw a little oil on there, but she just said she just used water. So I'm gonna try her water, but I know this raw hair is real thirsty. So I do try to put some moisture on the ends. I colored it with the L'Oreal High Color Blonde, so I didn't damage it with bleach like I did the Indonesian hair, even though that blonde was popping, y'all. Y'all know that blonde was popping. But yeah. So yeah, just comb it through. Look how easy this hair combs. No tangles. One of the customers said, oh, it's so much tangles, it's this and that. But it's because she had put all the mousse and stuff in there. So this is how the hair, this is, again, a curly frontal, y'all, and 2 curly bundles. If you do a closure, I recommend that you get 3 bundles because you want to, make sure you have your fullness. So you see how this side is doing. That's what I'm talking about, just a natural curl. And then, it's going to dry real pretty. And I'll take a picture of the finished product. Hopefully you guys aren't seeing the ceiling One of our followers commented that when I do my videos, I have to try to center my picture and not take a picture of the ceiling. So I can't really tell what's on the other sides to it and all that good stuff. But I will make sure I try my best to edit it right so you guys will just see me messing with hair. Okay, look at that. Got a nice little pop to it, a little shine. I didn't put any oil or anything on this hair. This is the natural state of the hair. Look at that, y'all. Come on. Look at that. Beautiful curly hair. I love you guys. I thank you for all of your support. We've been in business for just a year. We found amazing vendors. We use about 3 of them. I'm just putting more water because I feel kind of sticky with that mousse back there. So just trying to, I'm hoping the mousse will help, the water will help to loosen out that mousse feeling. Yes. And that's it. That's all you got to do every day. This is your hair. You don't have to do the most, y'all. Look at them curls forming right there. Beautiful hair. Beautiful hair. This hair is so worth it. It's going to last you 3 to 5 years if you just take care of it right. No shedding. No hair coming out. Look at the brush. Look at the brush, y'all. I think I see a strand or 2 right there. But, yeah. Let's get into this hair, people. We have a variety of lengths from 14 inches to 30 inches curly hair. Check out our site, Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. We have the L'Oreal High Color, various colors, magentas, reds, gold, different color blondes. So yeah, it's safe for the hair. You can put it on. You don't have to have a beautician's license to color the hair with that product. It's amazing. It's not as damaging as the bleach. But I do miss my bleach pops. Sometimes I got to damage it a little bit. But the hair is such good quality that even when I damage it with the bleach, it still behaves well. So yeah, guys, look at that. The curls are coming back. It has that beautiful sheen to it. And I haven't even put any oil on here, y'all. This is it. So, you know, like I said, as Missy said, she just put water and she got the door. So you don't have to do the most. You don't have to buy a whole lot of product. You don't have to buy any product to take care of this hair. Just get some water, y'all. It's free. Mwah. Love you guys. See you at Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair.com. Mwah. Hey guys, just coming back to you to show you the hair when it's dry. Look at that. Beautiful curls. Oh my God, y'all. Why? Love it, love it, love it. So it's dry now, a little full. You can keep rubbing your hands through and get it more poofy if you like. But I like it a little more tamer. But yes, I just wanted you guys to see after I came back from getting my sew-in, the girl put mousse on it and I didn't have any curls at all. Look at them natural curls. Why? Why would you kill your natural curls, y'all? Wow, so pretty. But anywho, this is the final. So I just wanted to come back and show you guys how the hair look after. All I did was wet it. Got to get this brush, y'all. Curly hair and this brush right here. Get the denim brush or this one at Walmart. Like I said, $7.99, or maybe you can find it even cheaper. But it's a brush like this is what you need. And them curls be popping, y'all. Brush it from the root. It'll look straight initially. But then look how pretty. Look how pretty. Look at them curls, y'all. Why? Why? I haven't put any serum on it yet. I just wanted y'all to see the natural state of it just with water. And it's beautiful. It doesn't feel dry or anything, so I'm not going to put anything on there. Tonight, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take sections, brush it, braid it up in a plait, and I don't even put a roll or anything on the end of it. Just doing that so that the hair's protected at night and it's not going crazy. You just go to sleep like that, and I'll just tie a scarf around the hairline to just, you know, keep the frontal nice and secure and cute. But yeah, y'all, this is it, honey. Loving it. Y'all got to get into this hair, y'all. Mwah. Love you guys. Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. This is the raw Indian natural curly. Thanks. Mwah. See you next time.